Hello friends, welcome back, and in today's video we are going to learn fractions. So I have made some diagrams. In which I will be showing you the fraction exercises. So I will be learning you with the diagrams. For today, when I will be teaching the diagrams, I will be giving you 10 seconds for answering and writing in your copy the answer, and then I will write the answer in my copy. So let's get started. So I have made diagrams, and you all have to make this one number diagram. This is number 1 diagram. You all have to make this. So everybody make this fast. I am giving you all 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope everyone has made, or you can pause the video and make it. And now I will be cutting some box. Means there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will be cutting some, and you have to make the fraction. Everybody knows, I think, fraction. So you all can answer this and write near here, and you all will be writing. And after writing, I will be giving you 10 seconds, and then I will write the answer. And don't forget to write your answer also in the comment box. And what answers you wrote in your copy, just send me in my Instagram ID. Now I will be cutting some spaces. So I have cut it, and you all answer me this fast. I am counting for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hope you all have done this answer. Now I am going to say the answer, that is 1/4. Here are 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks, and I have taken out 3. Now which one is left? 1. So answer will be 1/4. You can make a circle also. If your answer is correct, give it a tick mark. Like this, tick mark. Now in the second diagram, you all make it fast. A diagram like this, rectangle. It should be a rectangle in shape, and middle 4 lines means like a straight line and a slipping line, which should be in the same size. You all make it. I'm giving you all 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you all have made this diagram. So let us start it with this diagram. Now what I'm going to do with this diagram, you all have to draw a line like this, and I will be shading this part. Now you all tell me the answer of this over here. Now I am counting from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hope you all have written the answer. So those who don't know, please listen. Please see this answer very carefully. Now how can we do now? Here is the half of this. I'm telling you how can we do this. The answer will be 1/8. First I'm telling you the answer, and then I will show you how. Now those who don't know, they will be asking how it can be 1/8. So you all see, I have made a line. Now we have to do it in the four sides. all 4 sides. Now every boxes now is in equal, because now we cannot, now first the question was in half and these lines were not there, and how can we do with the half question? So what the answer will be, we have to make in the 4 lines, and now how will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 by 8. If you have got this answer and you have done this, give a tick mark. Now let's go to next question. This is question number 3. So you all do this, make this diagram in 5 seconds. I am giving you all 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 seconds I have gave you. Now I will be showing you this one. Now you all give me this answer. Wait, I am thinking to cross in another way, that is why. Now give me this answer. I am giving you all 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I have given you 10 seconds. Now I will tell the answer, that is 2 by 4. Hope you all have got this answer. If you have got this answer, give it a tick mark. So if you have given these all answers correct, please let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to answer. But don't answer in the comment box so that everyone will be seeing. Don't comment in the comment box. You just comment your marks. So 1 2 3. Number 1, this number A is of 3 marks. You all give your marks as per your, and you tell me number A how much marks you got. Now we'll move on number B. So this is number B. So we will be moving on number B. So first comment me your marks of number A in the comment box, and give me a click a picture of number A and send it in my Instagram ID. Now let's get started with number B. Now friends, we have been moving on in number B. So number B, there are 2 questions, number 1 question and number 2 question. So this will be of 2 marks. So now let's see what we have to do in this. In this, we have to, what the answer is given and the diagram is also given, but we have to cut that much for making the answer correct. So I am showing you one. So I will be showing not the answer now. I will giving you 5 seconds, and then for making the diagram. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 seconds. Now you all do the answer. I am giving you all 10 seconds for the answer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now I will be giving you all the right answer, but see, you all can cut any of the one which you want. If you have cutted, I am showing you. If you have cutted this, only one. You have cutted this, you have cutted this, you have cutted this, you have cutted this. The answer will be correct, but you have to cut only one part. So if you have done this, give it a tick mark. And don't think that if you have done here only the marks will get. You can do here, 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 anywhere you can do, but you have to fill one part. Now this also I am giving you all 5 seconds for making the diagram and 10 seconds for writing the answer. 1 2 3 4 5. So I gave you 5 seconds for drawing the diagram, or you can pause the video and make the diagram. Now I am giving you 10 seconds for writing the answer. 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds gone. Now I'm going to show you what is the correct answer. Now you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you will cut. See, this is the correct. So no need to be worried. You can do any 4. I did this 4. You can do any 4. Okay, and don't forget to give your tick over here and the marks, and let me know your marks of B also in my comment box, and the picture of this in my Instagram ID. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more educative videos like this. Please subscribe, as I will make more videos that will make you interesting very much. And if you have not seen my guessing the emojis of the foods, y'all go and watch that. And don't forget to watch my the horse and the donkey story also in my channel. So friends, hope you like this fraction of method of which I taught. In more videos I will teach another types of fractions. I will be teaching more things that will make you learn more nicely. And if you have not followed my Instagram ID, please follow. The name of my Instagram ID is Let's Study with Tanvi. It is given below. You'll watch the ID, or you can go in the description box and see my ID, and you can follow me. And don't forget to give your answers of these in my Instagram ID, and the marks also in the comment box. Bye friends. See you in my next educative video. Bye.